Welcome to Expert Dosing Solutions. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung A20. You follow the steps as I do it to get it done. Let me first turn off the phone. Okay. So we use the volume up key and the power button. You press them all at once like this and this. Take your hand off the power button and here we go. Use the volume down button to navigate to wipe data factory reset. Use the power key to select wipe. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, like and then share. Hit the bell for future updates. Welcome to Expert Dosing Solutions once again.